Hello everybody, and welcome back to Open Source Tonight. Folks, today I want to show you a program called Darktable that you can use to view images created with your camera. So let's go take a look. Here we go. Now we've imported a photo of me. This is just a screen cap of one of my videos, but you can see we can zoom in, we can move around. So the idea of this software is supposed to be that you could use it to view like raw files from your photography camera, but you can do different stuff. You can tether to the camera up here. You know, we got a couple different options. We can look at image information, but you're going to see it doesn't obviously know everything because, you know, it's a screenshot of a video. We can export it. That's interesting. So we can change that. What formats we got here? Interesting, decent assortment of formats are available. Take a snapshot. History, you can change different things about the image. Hold on. Trying to figure out how this works. So this, well, I don't understand how this program works, but boy, did I make a funny photo. Boy, did I make a funny photo of me. Look at that. That should be the thumbnail for the video right there. That should be the thumbnail for the video. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. Wow. Anyway, that right there is me. And it you know, we can add colors to the image, like to mark it, I guess. So this is red and orange. Maybe it's a good photo. It's green, let's say. I don't know. And it looks like we can sort photos and filter them. I'm going to be completely honest, folks. I'm not a photography person, and some of this stuff I don't know. I mean, like I get like the image info down here. I know that much, but some of the stuff is definitely above my pay grade, so to speak, if you will. Other print. Interesting. So we could do prints of images as well. Why do I not have? Okay. Darkroom light table. Okay. So that would be like, I guess, like viewing negatives back in the day, but the digital equivalent, right? Like on a light table. I know a little bit about this stuff, but I'm more of a video guy than a photo guy. Yeah, it's interesting. I wish I understood how this software worked. You all will get very entertained by the fact I don't know. How do I change stuff? Okay, so snapshot, let's take a snapshot. Okay, so now if I change something, what does it do? If I, what, huh? You can draw a line and, whoa. See, what if I do that and that? So this goes the other, what is this, cropping or? Yeah, see, I'm not really sure. Rotation adjusted, okay. See, color zones, so we can, okay, color grade, ooh. Okay, I like that. Let's see, maybe we make my face a little brighter and okay, that might be a little weird looking. And maybe we can adjust the blues a little bit. Yeah. Interesting. So what if we make the blues darker or less dark? Okay. And this is this is like a histogram, I think. So I can underexpose it. I can overexpose it. Whoa, there you go. Or I can kind of try and nail it here. And I can change the different color channels here. Waveform. Oh, nice. Okay. This is cool. So we have a waveform. I wish I could make that bigger. Is there a way to make that bigger? There might be. Okay, we have a vector scope. Okay, so some of these things I'm familiar with from the video world. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Filmic RGB. What if we turn that on? Does that make it look more like film? I guess a little bit. Yeah, maybe. Tone equalizer. We can turn that on. And I guess we can. Yeah, this is nice and confusing to me. See, exposure. Yep. Exposure control. And I can double click to reset it, looks like. Just like in DaVinci Resolve, a control. I can adjust my white balance. And this is just a JPEG, so it's not going to handle it gracefully, but this handles raw files too, and that would obviously handle it better. Okay, I can see why people like this, actually. I can see it. Interesting. Okay, I will admit this is something it took me. I haven't really played with it much until this video, but it makes sense the more I play with it here. Color correction. Let's see, gamma compression. Okay. So I can adjust different things. And I guess I could. Whoa. Some odd stuff here. Okay. So yeah, I mean, you know, I'm not really sure exactly what to do with it, but I know more than I did 10 minutes ago. So yeah, there you go. Well, folks, I don't know about you, but Darktable's, it's interesting. You can install it, I believe, in most Linux distributions with the package Darktable. I think it's Dark-Table, might be just Darktable, one word. I'll put it at the bottom of the screen here. But anyway, what's my thoughts on it? Just real quick. I think it's interesting software. Is it something that I feel like I would use very often? Probably not, because this really seems to be geared at photographers, which I kind of already knew that going in. I knew that much. And I'm not really much of a photographer. I do a little bit of photography here and there, and I guess I could play with this. One thing I wonder is, does this support Canon's RAW format? Because I have got some Canon cameras that can shoot RAW, and that, you know, they're mainly for photography, not for video, even though I can use them and have mainly for video. I wonder if I took some photos with them, if I could use the RAW files out of them in this program, because I've never really tried before. Anyway, folks, if you know anything about that, let me know in the comments. I'd appreciate it. But folks, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. And until next time, thank you for watching. Goodbye, everybody. And action.